Hello and welcome back everybody. If your Windows is having an audio crackling issue, it may be due to driver issues, incorrect settings, or hardware conflicts. So in today's video, we are going to follow a step-by-step guide in order to fix it. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and make sure to watch this video till the end for that. The number one thing we can do is we can update the audio drivers. Hit Windows plus X for that. And from there, you can just go ahead and select Device Manager. Scroll down, go to Device Manager, hit Enter, and open up your Device Manager on your screen. Now, once you are here, you can go ahead and expand the option for sound, video, and game controllers. This one right here, and expand it. Once you expand it up, you can just go ahead and right-click on your audio device that is currently used. For example, let's say this one right here. Right-click on it. After that, you need to look out for the option called Update Driver. Click on it, and you can click on the option called Search Automatically for Drivers. And then go ahead and install the best driver. Close this up, and once it is closed, you can just go ahead and restart your PC, and that should do it. Apart from that, we can disable audio enhancement as well. You can just go ahead and right-click on your speaker icon. Once you do so, you can go ahead and click on Sound Settings. And from here, you can go ahead and find enhancements. So if there's an option called enhancement here, which should be available for your speakers, go ahead and select your speaker. And from there, you can scroll down and we have this audio enhancement option. You can just go ahead and turn this option right off, expand it up, and you can turn this option off by clicking on off. And that should disable all of the enhancement, including fixing the audio crackling on Windows. Apart from that, what we can do is we can change the audio format. So for that, you can close this up and go to the properties window. So go over to sound. So let's just head over to sound speaker, go to sound settings and open it up. From here, scroll down and find this option called more sound settings. Open it up. And there you will be finding your speaker. Go ahead and select it up. You can go ahead and go to properties. From there, go ahead and go to advanced tab. And just go ahead and select on the default format here. You can just go ahead and select a different sample rate and a bit depth. So you can drop it down and you can select the option for 24-bit or lower than that 16-bit as well. After that, click on apply and click on OK. And close this up. And that is it. Apart from that, you can adjust the power settings as well. Hit Windows plus X and go to power options. Just go ahead and look out for power options and open it up. Once you open up power options, you need to go ahead and change the power options. Select high performance. If not, from here, you can just go ahead and search for change power plan. This one right here, choose a power plan, open it up. And from there, you can just go ahead and select the option for high performance or ultimate performance. Click on it, and that should do it. And that's it. So you can just follow up these process and sometimes also check for background processes and also update your Windows to the latest version, and that's it. So these are some of the methods available if you'd like to go ahead and fix your issue for your Windows audio crackling. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.